Place the frother on a stable, flat surface. Plug in the milk frother. You will hear a beep sound indicating it's in standby mode. Remove the lid. Pour the desired amount of cold, fresh milk into the cup. Note, for best results, use plant-based milk with protein content greater than 1 gram per 100 milliliters and fat content greater than 3 grams per 100 milliliters. Note, when making milk foam, ensure the milk level exceeds 100 milliliters, while do not exceed 120 milliliters. Before operation, securely place the lid on the cup. Do not remove the lid during operation. Press the power button to select a mode. The corresponding indicator light will turn on. Wait for about 3 seconds. The frother will start automatically, and all 6 indicator lights will flash in sequence. When frothing is completed, the machine will stop automatically and return to standby mode. Pour the milk froth into your coffee cup and enjoy.